Akiaria ri thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Kabete, Minista wa IHINDA Ministry-ini ya Githomo MUSALIA MUDAVADI augite namba ya arutwo thukuru-ini ici niyambatirite na gikiro kinene. Mwaka wa 2023-2024 namba ya arutwo aria maingirire thukuru-ini cia kothi cia moko ikinyeirie arutwo 380 gukiringithanio na mwaka wa 2020-2021 kuri arutwo 250 meyandikithirie guthomera kothi itiganite. Undu uyu akiuga ni urateithiriria gicunje kinene kia Kenya kwigira na mathomo.
TVET will be an important catalyst for transforming Kenya into a newly industrialized nation.
The world of work is evolving at an unprecedented pace, driven by technological advancement and globalization.
Hamwe na uguo thirikari ni gacirithitie mathomo kuri arutwo aria marathomera thukuru-ini ici na njira ya kuongerera macini cia kiriu niguo gutigirira arutwo ni mamatha ugi wothe uria marabatarania.
We are working on the ASAL area to ensure even those young people in the crime prone areas are really brought to the fold through TVET.
Kumana na kwambatira kwa namba ya arutwo, thirikari oho iri mihango-ini ya kuongerera namba ya arutani matanyihiire 2,000. Mudavadi akiuga onaguo muigana wa kigina kiria kigayagirwo arutwo kia HELB ni gikuongererwo.
Our TVET graduates are taking advantage of the bilateral labor agreements we have negotiated with foreign governments to access accredited jobs in international labor markets.
Mudavadi akwaragia hindi ya gukungwira miaka 100 kuma riria thukuru cia kothi cia moko ciambiriirie.
We really now must market the TVETs. We should not associate the TVETs with magego. Now it should be perhaps associating TVET with dental equipment that can be manufactured by this institution.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.